Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice bounce did happen today, and the bounce is still underway, although this latter part of the day, kind of a buzzkill a little bit, but like I said, this bounce still has an opportunity, still has some hope behind it. So what do I mean by still has hope? Well, that's the cool thing about charts is it allows you to take, kind of just sound bites like that and actually quantify them with numerical value. So what is kind of the hope point, if you will? I say it still has hope. Well, in my mind, it's still got hope as long as it can stay up above $7.50. Why is $7.50 important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen, but let's say the price actually continues on down and then finds some support, goes sideways right around $7.50 and starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this instance? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves do, right? If this is going to be an overall healthy bounce, well, then by definition, healthy bounce means it needs to keep on bouncing, right? And if it were to break below 750 and just continue on down, not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, that is not the same as continuing to bounce, right? That's not making progress in the upwards direction. So right now, it's all about making overall progress, and I'm just defining and quantifying the overall quote-unquote progress point as $7.50. So again, sure, this afternoon, kind of a bit of a buzzkill, but that's just this afternoon. Taking a step back and looking at much more than just a couple of hours, you can see the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher base and progress forward. So let's see if the price can stay up above 750 or not going forward. From more so the overarching perspective in regards to areas of resistance, keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50 period simple moving average. This has acted as resistance quite a few times, most recently right there. So keep an eye on that. But really, in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through some healthy consolidations and building higher lows. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.